Brother, Mishore, Missionary, 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 the 12 tribes, Reuben, Simeon, Levi, Yehuda, Dan, Gad, Asher, Issachar, Zebulun, Yosef, and Benjamin. The Hebrew alphabet. Aleph, Bet, Gimel, Dalet, He, Vav, Zayin, Shet, Tet, Yod, Kaf, Lamed, Mem, Nun, Sameh, Aleph, He, Shamir, Compression, Tau. The sevenfold Spirit according to Revelation are Spirit of the knowledge of the Elohim, Spirit of counsel, Spirit of wisdom, Spirit of the Elohim, Spirit of power, Spirit of understanding, Spirit of the fear of the Elohim. The seven deadly sins are lust, gluttony, greed, sloth, wrath, envy, pride. The seven seals of Revelation are white horse, deception, red horse, war, black horse, famine, red horse, pestilence, one-fourth of mankind dies, martyrdom and great tribulation, heaven is silent, silence in heaven. The seven assemblies of Revelation are Ephesus, Smyrna, Pergamos, Thyatira, Sardis, Philadelphia, Laodicea. The 12 disciples of Revelation are Simon, Peter, Andrew, James, Simon Peter, Andrew, James, son of Zebedee, John, Philip, Bartholomew, Thomas, Matthew, James, son of Alphaeus, Thaddeus, Simon the Zealot, Judas Iscariot. The 39 books of the Old Testament are Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1st and 2nd Samuel, 1st and 2nd Kings, 1st and 2nd Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Solomon, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentation, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi. The 27 books of the New Testament are Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Acts, Romans, 1st and 2nd Corinthians, Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, 1st and 2nd Thessalonians, 1st and 2nd Timothy, Titus, Philemon, Hebrews, James, 1st and 2nd Peter, 1st, 2nd and 3rd John, Jude, Revelation. The genealogy of Revelation according to Matthew are Abraham, Yitzchak, Yaakov, Yehuda, and Tamar, Pharez, Hezron, Ram, Aminadab, Nashon, Salmon, and Rekab, Boaz, and Obed, Yeshai, David, and Bathsheba, Shlomo, Rehoboam, Abiah, Asa, Yosaphat, Yoram, Uzziah, Yotam, Ahaz, Hiskiyahu, Manasseh, Amon, Yeshayahu, Yekonia, Shealtiel, Zerubbabel, Abihud, Abner, Eliakim, Azor, Chadok, Akim, Elihud, Elazar, Matan, Yaakov, Yosef, Miriam, and Abiashua. The seven bowl of Yahweh's wrath. First bowl, malignant scores. Second bowl, sea becomes blood. Third bowl, fresh water becomes blood. Fourth bowl, men scorched with heat. Fifth bowl, darkness of the kingdom of the beast. Sixth bowl, Euphrates river dried up the king of the east. Seventh bowl, great earthquake, lightning, hailstone. The 5 books of Torah in Hebrew. Bereshit, Shemot, Vayikra, Midbar, Devarim. And Nevi'im, the prophets. Yehoshua, Shephanim, Shemal Aleph, Shemal Bet, Melachim Aleph, Melachim Bet, Yeshayahu, Yirmiyahu, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Yoel, Amos, Obadiah, Yonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Shefaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi. The seven attitudes of spiritual life are learn what the spiritual life, seeking for instruction, studying for warfare, walking for fellowship, running for progress, weeping for ecstasy, mounting up for exaltation. The seven creation of Yahweh are first day, light and dark, second day, sky and water, third day, plant and trees, fourth day, sun, moon, and star, fifth day, land, animals of air and sea, sixth day, land, animals, and human, seventh day, Yahweh rested and made it holy. The seven pillars trumpets of wisdom, archery of life, humility, counsel, fear of Yahweh, discipline, kindness. The nine fruit spirit are love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, self-control. The seventh trumpet of Revelation, and first trumpet a hell of fire, second trumpet a fire mountain, third trumpet a blazing star, fourth trumpet lightning, fifth trumpet illuminating locals, sixth trumpet water mountain, fourth the angel of the Lord called the two witnesses, seventh trumpet eliminate